Hello friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Amit's Biology. Students, in the previous video lecturer we all discuss about introduction about plasma membrane, the position of the plasma membrane in case of plants, in case of animals and its history. So what is the discovery, who discovered it? So all these things are discussed in our previous video lecture. So our topic is now the composition of the plasma membrane. If we discuss the composition, so what are the things come forwarded? तो कौन कौन जिनस सब आसीबो तो प्रथम जिनस हैला द कंपोजिशन हम यदि फास्ट देखिबा तो कंपोजिशन ने आसुची फास्ट Number 1, the prime component is lipid. Number 2, protein. Carbohydrate. Next, water. Next, enzymes. So these are the basic components of plasma membrane. If we see the composition, so basically the lipid percentage vary from 29 to 79% and the protein composition vary from 20 to 70%. Carbohydrate is very much minute amount. This is the 1 to 5% only. Water the 20% because we are all living organism and our body and the cell contain much more amount of water. So the plasma membrane, though it is living, so it contain also the components of water, that is the 20%. Then the enzymes, that enzymes are nothing. These are the 30 types of enzymes are seen in case of plasma membrane. So first we discuss about lipid. So lipid, next comes to lipid. So lipid present in plasma membrane is amphipathic in nature. Amphipathic or amphiphilic in nature. So lipid present in plasma membrane is amphipathic or amphiphilic in nature. If we see the overall structure of lipid, lipid has a head and tail. So lipid has head and two tails, and the head is hydrophilic in nature, means the head is water loving. The head is water loving, but the tail is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means it hate water. It hate water or it repel water. Though a single lipid molecule has two opposite end, one is hydrophilic or water loving end and another is water repelling end, so it is known as amphipathic. So you know all about the amphibian, though spend their life in water and land, they are known as amphibians. Though they are land dwellers, they dwell their land, means sometimes they spend their life on the water bodies and sometimes they spend their life on the land surface. So just like that, lipid has two opposite end in a same structure, that is a head, that is the water loving end, and a tail which is hydrophobic or water repelling in nature. So lipid is amphipathic in nature. Next, the hydrophilic and the hydrophobic regions are connected together or bridged together by means of a moiety. Moiety or a bridge. That bridge is a nothing, it's a alcoholic derivative. Alcoholic derivative. This alcoholic derivative in maximum cases it is glycerol. In maximum case this moiety or this bridge is nothing, is glycerol which connect the hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends together. The next comes to types of lipid. Next comes to your types of lipid. The lipids are normally of three types. Then first we comes to types. Lipids are of three types. What are these types? Your first one is known as phospholipid. Second one is known as glycolipid. Third one is known as sterol. So phospholipid, glycolipid and sterol, these are the three types of lipid that present in plasma membrane. So number one is phospholipid. So lipid containing phosphorus or lipid contain phosphate group. So this is the lipid molecule, and the lipid molecule, this is the head and this is the phosphate group. Okay, this phosphate group attach with the lipid and this is now called phospholipid. Okay, then comes to glycolipid. Glycolipid means lipid plus carbohydrate, means lipid containing carbohydrate is known as glycolipids. Also their types are also present. Phospholipids are also different types. So glycolipid has also different types, but we have to need only the types of lipid, but we do not divide it again subtypes. If we read in higher classes, and these are read in your higher classes. Okay, तो तुम्हें जितने फॉस्फोलिपिड एंड ग्लाइकोलिपिड देखुच तो केवल सेतिकी ही देखुथा ता ऊपर को हम जितने जिबा हायर क्लासेस से देखिबा देन तार डिफरेंट टाइप्स आसीबो जेमती फॉस्फोलिपिड रा टाइप्स आसीबो कोन फॉस्फाटिडिल कोलाइन फॉस्फाटिडिल सिराइन फॉस्फाटिडिल आइनोसिटॉल फॉस्फाटिडिल इथानॉल अमीन. Okay, so these are the different types of phospholipid. सेमती ग्लाइकोलिपिड रा भी different types अछि. नेक्स्ट हमारा फॉस्फोलिपिड ग्लाइकोलिपिड सारी थिला तो वर्तमान हमें देखिबा स्टीरॉल. तो स्टीरॉल कोन स्टीरॉयड अल्कोहल is known as sterol. So steroid alcohol, you know, steroid is a hormone. This is the male sex hormone is known as steroid. Okay, तो steroid तुम्हारा hormone रे जितने steroid hormone ने alcoholic derivative means OH group माने hydroxyl group बा OH group add हबा सेतरे ताको कौन कुआ जिबा steroल बेलिका कुआ जाए. तो steroल पुनी again three types आसीबा. गोटे हला तुम्हारा phytosterol, गोटे हला फाइटोस्टेरॉल, गोटे हला कोलेस्टेरॉल आ गोटे हला एर्गोस्टेरॉल. फाइटोस्टेरॉल द स्टेरॉल ऑफ प्लांट, कोलेस्टेरॉल इज द स्टेरॉल ऑफ एनिमल एंड एर्गोस्टेरॉल इज प्रेजेंट इन केस ऑफ माइक्रोब्स. So these are the different types of lipid seen in case of plasma membrane. Okay, next comes to our protein. So next component, next major components of plasma membrane is protein. Okay, protein present in plasma membrane is highly variable, means types of protein and protein composition in present in plasma membrane are variable, means membrane to membrane the components and the types of proteins vary from one another. Some basic examples of your myelin cell. Myelin cell that contain only 25% of protein. Your mitochondrial membrane contain approximately 70 to 75% protein, but normal cell membrane contain 50% protein, means 50% protein means 50% protein and 50% your lipid. तो माइलिन सेल प्रोटीन कंसेंट्रेशन वेरी मच लेस, नर्व सेल बहुत लेस थाए 25%, and the cells which are participated in energy transduction or energy production, तो एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करे कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, तो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया रे मेम्ब्रेन रे तुमरा बेसी परिमाण रे प्रोटीन देखा जाए, मीन 70 to 75% प्रोटीन, and your normal cell plasma membrane contain only 50% protein and 50% lipid. So this is the all about your composition of your concentration of plasma membrane, which vary from cell to cell. Next we discuss the types of protein. Types. So this is based on the position of the protein in plasma membrane. तो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में प्रोटीन ना पोजीशन को बेस करी ताकू अगेन डिवाइड करा जायछि टू टाइप्स रे. कौन कौन टू टाइप्स? तो वन इज एक्टोप्रोटीन, अनदर इज एंडोप्रोटीन. एक्सट्रिंसिक, intrinsic. So plasma membrane proteins are divided into two types, ectoprotein or extrinsic protein, endoprotein or intrinsic protein. जो प्रोटीन माने प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ना सरफेस रे थांती सेमानन को एक्टोप्रोटीन्स बेलिका कहा जाए बा एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन बेलिका कहा जाए, and the proteins which are present inside and passes through the membrane, they are known as present inside, these are known as endoprotein, and those proteins which are passes through the membrane, they are known as intrinsic protein or integral protein. Intrinsic protein or integral protein. These integral proteins helps in the channeling or transport system. Helps in transport. जेहेतु ये माने बाहर भीतर को, सपोज दिस इज प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, दिस इज द प्रोटीन, दिस इज द प्रोटीन. तो दिस प्रोटीन कनेक्ट आउटसाइड एंड इनसाइड, so it helps in channeling the substances from outside to inside. तो स्पेशली हेल्प्स करती ट्रांसपोर्ट मैकेनिज्म रे. तो now we discuss about ectoprotein or extrinsic protein, endoprotein or intrinsic protein we discuss. Okay, suppose this is a plasma membrane, this is a plasma membrane, and the proteins which present on the outer side, so these are known as ecto or extrinsic protein. These are present on the outer side, these are known as ecto or extrinsic protein. These are known as ecto or extrinsic protein. So next comes to next, suppose this is the membrane, this is the membrane, and the protein which is present here and here. So this is protein and this is protein. These proteins are known as endoproteins, but this protein is known as integral or intrinsic protein. Integral or intrinsic protein. The proteins which passes through the membrane, these are known as intrinsic or integral protein, and the protein which is present inner side of the membrane, these are known as endoproteins. Okay, the next our topic is carbohydrate. Our topic is carbohydrate. So carbohydrate concentration in plasma membrane is very much less, that is it is present only 1 to 5%. So carbohydrate normally attach with the hydrophilic head of lipid and protein. Lipid or protein or lipid and protein. If carbohydrate attach with the lipid, it is known as glycolipid. If the carbohydrate attach with the proteins, it is known as glycoprotein. Glycolipid and glycoprotein. Okay. Carbohydrate attach with either lipid or protein. Carbohydrate when attached with the lipid, it is known as glycolipid. When attached with the protein, it is known as glycoprotein. In case of lipid, it is attached with the head portion. It is attached with the head portion, means head is hydrophilic. So carbohydrate present or carbohydrate associated with lipid where in the hydrophilic head region, which is present towards outer side. So plasma membrane rahila, plasma membrane, this is plasma membrane. This is bilayer lipid. तो lipid थाए कितटा layer है दीटा. तो this is the protein. This is the protein. Then the carbohydrate attach. Carbohydrate attach here only. Means hydrophilic head of the lipid which is present at the periphery or outer. Especially outer. तो formation है कौन हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड ऑफ द आउटर लिपिड संग लिपिड हेड संग अटैच है कार्बोहाइड्रेट फॉर्मेशन कला कौन सॉरी ग्लाइकोलिपिड फॉर्मेशन कला बट व्हेन इट इज अटैच विथ द प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट ऑन द आउटर साइड इट इज नोन एज ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन.